Let's look at what you can expect from this workshop. We're going to first look and become more clear in understanding the impact that communication actually has in the early childhood setting. How the way that you communicate is going to impact relationships with children, families, and fellow educators. We're going to also look at identifying and addressing those difficult conversations that we do need to have in the early learning setting. Then we're going to unpack some strategies that I've used in the past that have helped me navigate those challenging discussions with parents and with staff. And then we're going to look at how we can use those strategies to really resolve the conflict in a really peaceful and productive manner. Because at the end of the day, we need to get back onto that floor and be the best that we can for those young people that we're actually caring for and guiding. And then the most important step is some strategies on how you can have some follow-up conversations and begin to mentor and monitor the progress that comes after those hard conversations. So let's get started.